Greetings everyone. So today I want to talk about a feature in your Gmail that you may or may not know of. So there's a feature in your Gmail that when you send a mail, you can actually set it to expire after a certain period of time. It's like sending a self-destruct email. So once that person receives it, after a certain period of time, it just goes away. So to get to that feature, you have to go into your Gmail. And once you get into your Gmail, there's a little lock right below where you see send and attachment and all that stuff. All the way over to the right, before you get to the pen, there's a little lock with time on it. So once you click that over there, it's going to give you confidential mode. So once you get into confidential mode, you can choose when you want this particular email that you're going to send out to expire. So you can click the drop down menu and you have a day, a week, a month, 3 months, or even 5 years. So you can't really set an exact time. You have to choose from this list. So if you want it to expire in a week, you choose a week. If it's a day, you choose a day. And then it's required for you to do a passcode. Now you can do a no SMS passcode or you can do a SMS passcode. The difference between those two is the person that doesn't have a Gmail account will get the no SMS. So you'll send it to whatever email service they use, whether it's Yahoo or MSN or whichever email service they use, and they'll get the passcode within the email. Now, if you choose the SMS passcode, they're going to receive the passcode through a text message. Then once you do that, you click save. Then it's going to come back to the message. The message is going to have like a blue header on top. So that way you know it's going to be this confidential message, and it's going to show you when the content expires. So all you have to do now is type your message, put whatever attachment you want to add to it. Once they receive that message and read it, then it's got an expiration date of that time frame. So you might want to let them know to go ahead and open that email because it's going to expire before they even open it. Okay, so this is one of the features I want to cover in your Gmail account that you may not know of. So if you didn't know about it, now you know. All right, so thanks for taking the time for watching this video. If you have any questions, leave it down in the comment section. Have a good one, and I'll see you next time.